Tutorial for this time about API. What is the API? The API stands for Application Programming Interface, that is used for software to access the data, server software, or another application. Simply, API is a software agent that bridges two applications to talk to each other. Let's say the API is a translator between two people who cannot talk with the same language, but it can be communicated using API. The API can be used for web-based, operating systems, and database systems. How do the API works? First, the application accessing the API. Second, the API creates the requests to a related data server. Then, the server gives the response for the API. And last, the API conveys the results of the response in the form of the data or information to the application. We begin to create API using ASP.NET, C# web form. Before making it, we must to installed Microsoft Visual Studio in your notebook or PC.
Firstly, we click Start, then click Visual Studio. Click New Project, then choose Visual C#, then choose Web, and then choose ASP.NET Web Application. After that, we rename the project name. For location column as a project location. Then we click OK. We choose Empty, check the web form and click OK. Right-click on the project name. Then, choose to add. Then, click the new item. After that, we choose the web form, rename it and click OK. Right-click on the testing API, then click View Code. In this area, we will create a class for saving an array. Next, we create a function named writeJSON that purpose for print the array from the class into JSON format using JavaScript serialization. Next, we try to insert the data into the rows data class. After we insert them, so we call the write JSON function and insert the data array 1 into the function. Then we running the Visual Studio. Here's the response of data formatted by JSON. Let's try to insert it back. Then we run it again. If we want to show the suitable data with the parameter who we looking for, so we use a get method. Generally, the get method using a query string. This query string has a value from the key which we created. For the class, we added where for searching based on username. The data in the get method was sending via URL. It can be paired key equals value which was separated by an ampersand. Then the data was joined with the main URL which was separated by question marks. Example. Username as key and value as Denise Agata. Then we run this project. Here's the response of the data that we looking for. That's how the tutorial goes. I hope this helps you. Bye for the next tutorial.